23 passive income ideas to help you make money in 2023. These are all tried and tested methods that have worked for me and thousands of other people out there. So whether you're looking to create a side hustle or replace your current income, these strategies will definitely help get you there. Hello and welcome to my channel Top USA Entertainment. In this video, I'm going to share with you some passive income ideas that can help you make money in 2023. 1. Start a blog. If you have something to say and are passionate about it, blogging could be the perfect way for you to make some passive income. All you need is an internet connection and some creative ideas, and you can start making money from your blog in no time. 2. Create an online course. This is a great way to make money while also sharing your knowledge with others. You can create an online course in just about any topic and share it with the world. 3. Invest in stocks or cryptocurrency. If you're comfortable investing, there are a few different ways to make passive income by investing in stocks or cryptocurrencies. 4. Start an e-commerce store. You can make money by selling products on your own e-commerce store. This can be a great way to generate passive income over time as you will retain the customers that come to your store. 5. Become an affiliate. If you have a blog or website, you can use it to promote other companies and products, earning commissions for every purchase made through your affiliate links. 6. Create a YouTube channel. You can make money by creating videos on YouTube and monetizing them with ads. This is a very popular way to make passive income, as it requires minimal effort for you to create content and then get paid for people watching the ads on your channel. 7. Publish an ebook. Publishing an ebook can be a great way to earn passive income. You can write about any topic you choose and then market it to your readers. 8. Create a membership site. If you have valuable information that people would be willing to pay for, you could create a membership site where members pay a monthly fee in exchange for access to your content. 9. Invest in rental properties. This is a great way to make money without having to actively manage the property. You can rent it out and collect rent payments every month, earning you passive income in the process. 10. Create an app. If you have a great idea for an app, you can create it and then make money from people downloading and using your app. 11. Sell digital products. If you have a skill, such as graphic design or coding, you could create digital products to sell online for passive income. 12. Buy an existing website. You could buy an existing website that is already making money and then take over the management of it in order to generate passive income. 13. Become a freelancer. If you have certain skills, such as writing or programming, you could offer your services as a freelancer and make money while working from home. 14. Invest in dividend stocks. This is another great way to earn passive income. You can invest in stocks that pay dividends, allowing you to earn money without having to actively manage the investments. 15. Take part in peer-to-peer lending. This is a great way to make passive income by loaning money to other people and collecting interest payments on the loan. 16. Create online tutorials. If you have a skill or knowledge that you can share, you could create online tutorials and then charge people for access to them. 17. Become a virtual assistant. If you have administrative skills, you could become a virtual assistant and provide services to clients from home. 18. Invest in real estate crowdfunding. This is another great way to make passive income by investing in real estate without having to buy and manage the properties yourself. 19. Start a podcast. You can make money with podcasts by providing interesting content for listeners and then monetizing it with ads or sponsorships. 20. Become an Airbnb host. If you have extra space in your house, you could become an Airbnb host and rent out your home to guests for a fee. 21. Invest in REITs. REITs, real estate investment trusts, are a great way to make money from investing in real estate without having to own the property yourself. 22. Take part in online surveys. You can make money by taking part in online surveys and providing your opinion on products and services. 23. Become a dropshipper. Dropshipping is a great way to make money by selling products without having to store or manage any inventory.